Hey everybody, happy 4th of July weekend. Wanted to give you your real estate update for the last 2 weeks. As you may notice, a little different scenery. I'm over here at my friend's ranch over in Dinuba, California in Central Valley. So beautiful place. Figured I'd get this awesome tree in the background, but getting right into it, we've got a median price of $385,000 still holding strong in Las Vegas. There's currently 4,204 homes for sale, which is up 106% from last year. So think of that in an inventory perspective, to where you're up 100%. Okay. Your average days on market is 17 days, which is an improvement of 60% from 2020. So if you have a house, it looks good, it's listed semi-decently, you're gonna sell the house as long as it's not crazy overpriced, or if there's an uncooperative tenant, things of that nature. Things are still gonna move fast. We've got a 1-month supply, which is also down 77% from 2020. Your median price per square foot is $203 a square foot. That is up substantially from last year. 51% of homes sold are above list price, which is 171% higher than last year. So think of that as some numbers to keep in mind as we move forward into the third and fourth quarters, to see if they're going to raise interest rates, to see if there's this shadow inventory, which there isn't. Okay, shadow inventory is basically pent up homes, whether they're short sale foreclosures, and lots of people in the country, especially Las Vegas, they were in forbearance. Forbearance is also where you work with the bank, you have a good position, you have some equity in your house, the bank works with you instead of filing for foreclosure. Okay, so right now a lot of homeowners are coming out of forbearance. For the past 17 weeks, that number of people coming out of forbearance, meaning that they've either put it on the back end of their loan, did a refinance with their bank. Owners have a lot of equity, which is a big difference from the last crash. Last crash, it was prices too high, no one had any money in their house, and everything was bad. Here, people are able to save their homes, keep their equity, and keep things going and rework things with the bank. So that's kind of like some numbers updates for this week. But for Northern Terrace, okay, you've got 5 active homes, 38 days or less on the market for all 5 of those. You've got 9 under contract. All but 1 of those was under 15 days. So even though the inventory has been creeping up, we've also been selling as well. So the numbers aren't too crazy yet of a difference, but we'll see what happens. Providence now has 22 homes active sales, ranging from 300,000 all the way up to 700,000. That's the highest I've seen in quite a few weeks. They've got 51 under contract, which is about steady for the last few months, right in that range. All but 1 of those homes was sold in under 30 days. So once again, Northern Terrace, Providence, Las Vegas in general, the homes are still selling, rates are still great, sellers are still getting a good price, great price for their house. Over in Sky Canyon, not so much inventory compared to the rest of us. They're still newer built homes, so less chances of homes coming up. But right now you've got 5 active homes, and check this out. The lowest price home in Sky Canyon is $475,000, and they range up to $750,000. So Sky Canyon prices are going sky high. And then they also have 14 homes on their contract, which is a little higher than their average for the last few months. Okay, and 13 out of those 14 homes went under contract in 37 days. So everything is still moving great. Lots of great things in Vegas going on for this weekend. So if you are out here in Vegas, please be safe. Don't do anything crazy with all the fireworks. Have fun, and I'll get you on an update soon.